तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा।
Import your video into After Effects.
Then pre-compose the video. Just right-click and choose Pre-compose. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Mocha Pro. If you need the download link, check the description below and make sure to watch this tutorial step by step. Next, drag Mocha Pro onto your pre-composed video. Then go to Effect Controls and double-click on Mocha Pro. Wait a few
रुको
seconds for
जरा,
it to launch
सब्र
and you'll see
करो।
a new window open with your video on the screen. Now, click on this button and select your object. If it's not selected properly, click again on that area to refine the selection. To remove any unwanted parts, hold Ctrl or Alt and left-click on that portion.
Hey, I've seen this one. This is a
After
classic.
that, click on this tracking button, then go to the Mate section and check the box to enable the mask. Now preview the video forward by clicking on the play or forward tracking button. Once it's done, click on the download export button and close the Mocha Pro window. Back in After Effects, click Apply Mate and you'll see the video background has been perfectly removed. Now you can replace it with any background you like and your clip is ready.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु।